everyone. This is the story of my life. That's me, Arjun. No, not him. Yeah, that's me, Arjun Roy. Future filmmaker, forever starter.
Arjun! Arjun! These are the photos.
Yeah.
Do you like them?
I love them. They look good. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll edit them and I feel they'll be on the cover.
Good.
From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do.
Oh, sir, can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Acha, listen. कल सिंघानिया का शूट है and I want everything to be picture perfect. He's our top client, so you better come early.
Yeah, I'll come early, sir. I'll come.
You better come early.
I've always been the one who nobody expects anything from, but not anymore. I've been preparing for this moment all my life. Well, mostly since I got this job a month ago, but I'm sure I'm gonna be the DOP in shining armor. One perfect shot, and Mr. Madhachor will be begging to have my displays at his gallery.
डैडी मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी। साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग 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 भाग। ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ, देखा तो कटोरा झांका तो कुआ, बिल्ली जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग नाग नाग। भाग 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 दी के बोल दी के बोल दी के बोल भाग भाग दी के बोल दी के भाग 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 दी के बोल दी के बोल दी के बोल भाग भाग दी के बोल दी के भाग। अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई अभी आई भाग भाग दी के बोल दी के भाग 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 दी के बोल दी के बोल दी के बोल अभी आई।
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. I really wanted to come early, sir. The alarm didn't hear, sir. I didn't. Alarm. I didn't hear the alarm, sir. I have screenshot also, sir. Please, sir, please.
Enough! आज सिंघानिया का सारा हीट मैंने लिया है. I was the one accountable.
Sir, I really wanted to attend, sir. It was such a good opportunity, sir. Please, sir, give me one more chance, sir. Please, one more opportunity. I'll really not let you down this time, sir. Please, sir. मुझे करने दो.
Fine. You want opportunity? You got it. 24th का गैलरी शूट सब कुछ तुम करोगे और अगर you fail then वापस कभी मत आना, अपना मुंह मत दिखाना.
Sir, please, sir. I
lost
really
now.
need this. Sir, I really need a help for this, sir. I can't do this alone. Please, try and understand.
No. Now I've decided. Now you go, man.
Sir, please.
जा यार.
Come on, Arjun. What are you doing? Get your head in the game. You know what? I'm gonna make this the best gallery shoot Mr. Madhachor has ever seen. Or my name isn't Arjun Goddamn Roy.
बात जो है उसमें बात वो यहाँ कहीं नहीं किसी में, वो है मेरी बस है मेरी शोर है यही गली गली में, साथ साथ वो है मेरे गम में मेरे दिल की हर खुशी में। जिंदगी में वो नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है मेरी जिंदगी में, बुझ न जाए ये शमा एतबार की इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की। आईना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की, ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं, फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की।
What's wrong with you? Please, I need this. I already said no. I'll give you 2 more coffees. 6. 3. 6. Fine, take 4. Fine. Do I really have to do this?
Yeah, bro, that's the score that the hands like to the right. Yeah, only one thing here. Oh, I think she's yours.
Yeah, bro, what's up?
This is nothing bad. Yeah. Come here. Sit there. Yeah, now guys, slightly on the right. Yeah, the hand should be on. Yeah, just like that. That's it, guys. Hold. Yeah, the leg, move it up, like like that. Yeah, that's okay. And that hand on it, like perfect, guys. Hold 1 second. Oh gosh. Okay, no wait, this is not working. So you hold like this, and you, bro, and that's right. Hold that. Wait. Hold that, okay? Perfect. Guys, hold 1 second. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, the dupatta. On it like perfect.
What are you making us do that?
Hey bro, it will work now. Wait for 1 minute. I'll make it work. Don't worry. Just hold the pose, man. Hold the pose.
No, but second with time, this isn't working. I'm gonna go change. I'm leaving first.
But no, please.
I really have to take a phone call. I cannot. Sorry. What's up, bro?
कुछ नहीं यार.
Hey.
Jinn.
Don't be shy. You're the guy who roamed around college with the entire Neat Girls wala sign. You're capable of literally everything. Don't be shy right now.
I guess, but it's cool genuinely.
Spill the beans. What's up?
कुछ नहीं यार, मतलब actually में कुछ नहीं है. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
100% sure there's nothing.
Yeah. 100%. It's chill.
Okay, so I was thinking that we all should go out and get food because we're all very hungry and nobody's eaten anything the entire day.
But we can order, right?
There's no need to order. In fact, I think we should get out of the house. It'll be better for us and for everybody. Like, it'll clean up, like, allow you to get better, like, think of better ideas and everything.
It's fine, man. Fine. It's okay. You guys go.
We're going for dinner. You're also coming. Come on.
You guys go.
Chalo.
But
Dinner.
Just close the door.
Listen. I have an amazing idea.
What?
Listen to me now. Bro, imagine this. We shoot outside.
No, that's just dumb. It won't work out.
Arey, why are you saying it's dumb? It's a solid idea.
I'm telling you, it won't work out. What will we do? What are the resources? Where will be the lighting?
We don't have any resources ghar pe bhi, okay?
I'll manage.
Arey, listen to me na. If we go outside, it'll look so much more natural. And we spoke about it yesterday also. Maybe you need to clear your head.
No, I don't know.
Just try. Listen, we'll just try it out. If it doesn't work, we'll do your idea. Don't
Achha,
worry.
okay. So where will you shoot?
Anywhere. Bro, we can go. You know that lake that's there outside? We can go shoot next to that. It's really pretty. Trust me, it'll work. Imagine golden hour, Tamanna, and me.
I mean, if you think about it,
Just say yes.
fine. We'll try it. Any which ways, nothing else is working.
Great. Thank you so much. We'll film it tomorrow. Now I have to go. You finish whatever you're doing, and I'll see you later. Okay? Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for coming here today. Thank you for supporting my very own first gallery. I would love to thank the most my friends Shaina and Tamanna. Because of you guys, I realized that it's okay to fumble, and you're the reason I'm standing here today. So thank you so much. I hope you like it. Cheers. I hope you loved it. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Arjun. It seems that I might have underestimated you. I'm quite surprised actually with all the work.
Really, sir. Thank you so much. Look, you
Easy,
saying this means that
easy. क्या तुम मेरे full time assistant बनना चाहोगे? The shoots, the catalog, the works, everything.
I would love that, sir.
Great then. You start on Monday, okay? See you.
So wait.
Formalities की जरूरत नहीं है अर्जुन. कल तक तुम्हें पेपर वर्क मिल जाएंगे. कल काम पे आ जाना.
Sir, actually, मैं कल नहीं आऊँगा.
क्या? Excuse me?
I won't come in at all, sir.
Why is that, Arjun?
Sir, इन पास्ट दिनों में जब मैंने ये फोटो शूट के लिए काम किया तो it made me realize something. I learned a lot.
That is.
कि sir, I was always underestimating myself that I have so much more to do and I can do so much more, and I've done that, and that makes me believe that मुझे मेरी खुद की जर्नी सेट करनी है. I want to go on my own path.
तुम एक लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी को मना कर रहे हो अर्जुन. Think about it.
सर वो कहते हैं ना, रिस्क है तो इश्क है. What's a lifetime without bit of a thrill?
Fine then. I wish you all the best, Arjun.
Thank you, sir.
That takes guts, you know. Beautiful pictures, by the way.
Sorry?
You know, in this industry, if you don't speak up, you always remain an underdog. You don't look like the type though.
Underdog. Never been that.
I remember when I first started out, it took me ages to get my first agency and my own. And you know the whole woman in the kitchen narrative? It extends into the creative field as well. If I had your courage, it would have happened like that.
You have your own agency?
Yep, advertising and PR. But I've always wanted to be a filmmaker. If I could, I'd introduce myself like that. Future filmmaker, forever stud.
Forever star.
Yep.
By the way, I'm Arjun Roy.
Aisha Singharia.
Singharia?
Yeah, something wrong?
Nothing like that.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
Now you go. Fuck off, man.
जो ही
Do I really have to do this?
बदल है,
Get lost now.
यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार। चल किसको आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ, सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात। बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं, सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों